What is up, everybody? Britt Tech here, back for another video, and I'm just sitting in the car right now waiting for my nieces to come outside. So I just thought, what better moment than to do a video on how to make money. So she's here now, but anyways, yeah, back to the video. Some of you guys may have seen one of my previous videos on how to make money with JobSpotter, and I'm gonna put the link for that in the description below. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make money doing grocery shopping with Shipt Shopper. So Shipt Shopper is an app that you can use to either do grocery shopping and have it delivered, or you can be the one to deliver the groceries. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so a little bit about Shipt Shopper. Shipt Shopper is, just like I said, a way to make money by doing other people's grocery shopping. Some people who may be sick and shut in, or disabled, or older people, or you just simply don't want to do your own grocery shopping. Some people don't enjoy grocery shopping like others. Some find it therapeutic. Others may find it dreadful. But yeah, Shipt Shopper is just a way you go out, you accept an order, and you literally just go down the list and do the grocery shopping for the person. It's as simple as that. You can make a lot of money. You can make as much as $1,000 a week or more by doing this. And back to the video. Okay, so Shipt Shopper, yeah, just as simple as that. You can make up to $1,000 a week or more just by doing other people's grocery shopping. So I'm gonna put a little clip in right now to show you exactly what the app looks like, how it works, and how to get started. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the Shipt Shopper app and show you what all this has to offer. As soon as I open up the app, it'll go to my orders page, which doesn't have anything right now. But yeah, let's see. Available orders. So this page is going to show you all of the available orders at that current time and in the future on the app. And as you can see, I have some Target orders here. They have prepaid orders and a regular order. So a prepaid order means that the person most likely ordered it online and they already paid for the order. So all you have to do is go in the store and pick it up, go to the checkout, and they'll walk you through it, and you can just walk out of the store. And then obviously, as you can see, the other order is a regular order. And what you would do here is you would actually go in the store, do the shopping, as well as deliver the item to the customer. So yeah, that's pretty much just a basic overview. Now, promo orders, I know you see that above. Promo orders are orders that have been sitting in the queue for a while, and they offer you some kind of incentive to get you to grab it or to make it look I guess, attractive to the eye. So they'll add like $7 to the order to up the price to make somebody want to get it, or $20 to the order, and so on. So let's go ahead and look at the schedule. So I personally don't have a schedule set because they make you pick a specific zone, and I don't really want that. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get out of this. I actually have to close the entire app because it doesn't let you X out of it. So let's go ahead and go back to it. Delivery history. Let's go ahead and see that. So for delivery history, as you can see, all of my previous orders, no, I haven't done any orders for this year. I just kind of been chilling on it. But as you can see, you just scroll down, you see all the orders I've done, how much money I've made. So this is just to encourage you guys. This app can really be something successful for you, something that you can use to really just hone in and make some extra cash on the side when you don't have anything to do. You know, some people enjoy, like I said before, some people enjoy shopping and others don't. But if you enjoy it, then this is the app for you. Yeah, so I think the most I've actually made is $232. And well, I guess that was only a week, so that was really good. And the orders, I believe, were very simple. Some of them were deliveries, and some of them were actually shopping and delivery. So yeah, guys, you can make as much money as you want. I know somebody who does Shipt shopping, and they made $800 in a week, $1,000 in a week. It is possible, guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and get out of this and go to my stats. So the stats are out of 5.0, and as you can see right now, I have a 4.8, my all-time average rating. And then orders delivered, I've delivered 77 total orders. And I also have a 99% on time rating and 50% acceptance rate on that. I guess for the last 14 days, as you can see, you don't see any ratings because I haven't been shopping this month. And then so for last 50 orders, you're going to see my ratings as 4.8 as well. And 98% of my orders have been on time. So, yeah, that's pretty good in my eyes. And then, of course, you have the help where you can contact them if you need any help. Specifically, I usually contact them during outages because everything freezes up. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Shipt Shopper, great way again to make extra money, and I hope you guys just take a hold of it and really just you know, get some extra cash. But also I can share this code right here to people who are actually interested in using Shipt Shopper to do their grocery shopping. Not so much delivery, but shopping. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little clip on how to be a Shipt shopper. I hope I included as much details as possible to get you guys started. And yeah, this is a great way to make extra income, and I just hope you all just take advantage of it. Again, I am going to put the link in the description below for my job spotter video, how to get free gift cards on Amazon. And yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.